We'll guide you through how to add overlays in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut, and so you want to go and add in an overlay. You can go and overlay other photos or videos over an existing photo or video in CapCut. We're going to guide you through this step by step. You may want to go and do this, for example, with a green screen. So then you can go and remove the green screen and have a different background. Or you can go and add in maybe you speaking or somebody speaking over it and resize it. We're going to guide you through the different options you've got. So make sure there's 4 videos so you understand how this can go and be done. So to go and get started, come into your CapCut project and you can go and already have a video in the project. As you can see, I do, or a photo. Now what we need to do is go and import the media we want to go and overlay. So go to the top left and select media and come and press import. Now what you need to do is go and find the video you want to do this with. So let me go and locate it now. Of course, yours will be different for me, but I want to do it with this video here. So let me go and press open and there it is. So now what you need to do is go and drag in the video you want to go and overlay or photo. So in this case, I'm going to go and start with the green screen media and then show you how we can go and remove the background for it. And I'll show you how you can do it with someone's face as well. Find the media and you want to click on it and then hold it. Hold down your mouse and you want to simply go and drag it over the other one. As you can see, there it is. Then you can click, hold and keep dragging it to go and choose the position and choose the start and end point as well. Then when you place your cursor over it, you can see a preview. Select it in the timeline and then you can go and use these corner points to go and resize it and you can click, hold and drag to move it around. And let's say if you want to go and move the green screen background, you want to make sure you've got it selected, go to the top right into video, then find remove BG and you need to find chroma key, click on it to expand it and press the tick to the left to show it. Then you want to go and grab the color picker by clicking on it and you want to then go over the preview and select the green and there it is. You may need to go and adjust the intensity. So that is how you can do it with a green screen. And as you can see, that looks really cool. Alternatively, I've got a video here of me speaking, which may be more what you want to do this with. So you can click, hold, and then go and drag it over the existing one as we did before. Then what we can do is go and find the part you want to go and use. So I'm going to do it here. I'll make a split by pressing Ctrl B. Then I'll go and delete this part here by pressing delete or backspace. And I'll drag this over. And then I'll go and drag it just so it ends at the same point as well. Press Ctrl B and press delete like this. Now we want to go and select it and come into the preview and we're going to use the corner points, click, hold and drag to go and resize it. Let's say I wanted it in the top left here. I could go and place it there. Now what I want to do here is I want to go and make it into a circle or square. So keep it selected and go to the top right and you want to press video. Then you want to go and find mask. You can go and press add mask and you can go and choose circle, say, or a square. I want it to be a circle. And then you can come into the preview and use the side pieces, the side sort of long rectangles. And you can then go and adjust it to your liking like this. Then you can go and play it back. And as you can see, it looks really cool. And what you can also do is move the entire thing by if I go and click out of mask, I can then just move the entire thing, as you can see. What you could also do is go and remove the background. This is a CapCut Pro feature, but you want to go into video and remove BG, and then you can select auto removal. Go and wait while this goes and completes. Now you can go and see the background has now been removed. So that looks really cool. And once again, I can go and position it where I want it to go and be. So there we go. That is how you can go and add an overlay in CapCut. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.